Hey there, fishing fans. Welcome back to another edition. I'm over here at the Marsh River on April 19th, getting ready to go hit up some more trout fishing. I'm waiting for brother man G to get here. He's on his way hitting work and has to stop and get his kayak, and then he'll be over here, and I'm just actually sitting here waiting for him to get here so we can get started. Hopefully we have a good adventure. We're going to paddle upstream to where our normal spot is and fish on our way down for a little while. Sunset is around 7:19, I think, tonight. So we're hoping to get back by then and get everything in the kayak and get out of here. And hopefully we have some good luck and give you guys a good show. The wind conditions are pretty high. It's been pretty crappy all day today. The temperature right now is 50 degrees. And hopefully it doesn't hinder our fishing. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll see you there. And hopefully we can give you a show. Take it easy, guys. See you. Fish on. Today's Georgie's first day in a river with his Hobie. Alright there guys, this is our spot where we start. We just got done paddling all the way up here. Took us about 20 minutes. I'm a little tired. Brother man's Hobie like kicks ass with that pedal drive. So hopefully we can get some fish and give you guys a good show. So enjoy, guys. Alright there guys, that's going to conclude my episode for today. Thanks for coming out today and joining me, Joe, your host, Angler Fishing, Brother Man, Fishing with Big Worm, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Take it easy. See ya. Fish on! I know, right?